4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today we are creating this look using the Klarity Kosmetics Apocalypse palette. So this palette is going on pre-order. It's on pre-order right now on claritykosmetics.com, and I believe this is the last batch that they're going to make. So if you don't get it, I think you'll miss the opportunity to get it. So make sure you go. Today is the last day, so today is November 3rd. If you're watching this video in time and you want the palette, I would say go ahead and get it. There's 5 like multi-chrome colors in here, so it is a good deal. This is a look that I came up with, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give the video a thumbs up. But we'll go ahead and get into this video, so let's go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I did this in, I think it was the palette for the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette, and I had like the palette up here somewhere. So I'm gonna do that again. I'll call out the colors. So this is what the palette looks like. You'll see it whenever I'm talking about a color at the top of the screen somewhere. We're gonna go in with the color Thriller, which is like a greenish color. Look at, I just tapped it in there. And I'm gonna start by just throwing this in my crease, and then I'll go ahead and blend that out. So that's really pigmented. I've actually had this palette. I've had this palette for a while, and I've been wanting to do a look. I just have not. All right, and then I'm gonna take, I don't know if I want to put any pink in this look, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into this color Dead End, which looks like a gray blue, and I'm gonna put that just at the top of Thriller. Now we're gonna go into, so there are a few blues in here. So we have Double Tap, which is this one. That's Double Tap. Then we have Tomb It May Concern. This is, ooh, look at that. This is, I think this is a multi-chrome, because I see like on my finger, I can see where it's shifting from green to purple, but I also see blue. So that color, and then we have just Creeping It Real, which is this color right here, and this looks like it's like a blue-green shift. Okay, so I think I want to use these 2 colors. All right, so I want to use Tomb It May Concern and just Creeping It Real. Am I gonna cut my crease? No, I don't want to cut my crease. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna use my finger to place. So this is Tomb It May Concern on my finger. I don't know if you can see. Okay, and I'm just gonna place that here in the center of my lid. I'm kind of taking it back a little bit. So that was Tomb It May Concern. That's on the center. Now on the front portion of my lid, so on the front portion of my lid, I'm gonna take this color, just Creeping It Real, and I'm putting this right now on the brush without wetting it. Let me see. Ooh, okay, that goes on really good. So this is gonna be on my inner corner. And I'm just gonna try wetting the brush and then placing it on this eye. Okay, I feel like it goes on just as good wet or dry. Okay, and I'm just building it up because the color is so pretty. Okay, I will stop now. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the other color, To May Concern, so that I can blend those in. And just take that brush, but I'm cleaning it off really quick. Okay, so this To May Concern, I'm gonna just place back right here where they meet so that they blend. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna take the green Thriller, since that's what I placed first down in my crease, and I'm gonna blend that forward. I kind of wish there was a purple in here that I could blend it with here, but this is good. I'm gonna take the Dead End color and try to mix these two colors here together. I might even try that gray. Okay, so I'm gonna take Somebody Is Scared, which is that kind of dark gray, and see if this kind of does anything. Alright, and I'm just mixing colors at this point. I'm gonna take this back a little further. So this is To May Concern. We're just taking it back a little further. Alright, go back into Somebody Is Scared. Okay, and that is it. I really like the blue on the inner corner part. So I'm gonna actually do the rest of my face, my eyeliner, come back on, and we'll finish the eyes by doing my lower lash line and pairing it with a lipstick. So we'll be right back. We are back. So this is the look. My face is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes. I did go ahead and put white eyeliner in my waterline because I do like the way that looks. And we're gonna go ahead and see. So for my lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna mix the colors Thriller and Dead End together for that lower lash part. So I'm first gonna go in with Thriller, which is that green color, and just tap that there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Dead End, which is that blue gray, and just kind of tap it over and blend it in a little bit. So for my inner corner, I do want to try another color I haven't even used yet. So we have double tap here, which is this blue, and then I also have this pink. So I think, and the pink is also a multi-chrome. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multi-chromes in here. So we have this one. This one is like an orange to like reddish. Then we have these three. And then we have this pink. And I think I'm going to put the pink in my inner corner. It's called I Choose You. Just to throw some pink into this look. Alright, and because this is a Klarity Kosmetics palette that I used today, I wanted to share for my blush. I actually use this Klarity Kosmetics Such an Introvert pigmented blush. I actually dipped it in there, put it on my face, and I had to blend it out because I forgot how pigmented these were. And we're going to go on to the lips, and for the lips we're going to also use these Klarity Kosmetics liquid lipsticks. So I brought out these two colors. This one here, which is like a green, is called Swamp Thing, and then this one is called 710. I don't know if I'm going to use, I think I might try to use a drop of this. We'll see. All right, but we're going to move on to lips now. So I just have this brown. It's not even a lip liner. This is actually an eyeliner, but it's lasting brown, and I want to use it for my lips. Okay, and I like to use lip liner. I just cannot do my lips without using a lip liner. So now we're going to go ahead and put 710 on my lips. Okay. We'll see how this looks. This is a pretty blue. Now we're taking Swamp Thing. Putting that in the center. And I just mix the colors on my lips. And that is what it's looking like. Do I like that? I don't know. Let's put okay. So I just put 710 over it. Now this is the completed look. I'll go ahead and share with you. I am wearing a wig, of course, and this is from, I got this from Wig Types. This is the Outre lace front wig called Kourtney. So there it is, it's Kourtney, and the color I have on is 3D RFF Wheat Blonde. Okay, and that's this one. Again, it's an Outre wig. It does have other colors that's mentioned. I don't know what's available on the site now, but I will tell you this wig does tangle a lot. Like within 2 hours of wearing her, she gets tangled, so I do have to keep brushing her out. But I mean, that's fine for me because I'm not really out for that long. But if you were out, I mean, she would get tangled. So that's all I have to say about this wig. It is really pretty. I do like the color, but she just tangles a lot, and she's straight. So she's very straight, and she's long. So if you're interested, you can check out the Wig Types website, and I'll just put this up again so you know. This is the Outre Kourtney wig, and then the color is right there, 3D RFF in Wheat Blonde. Go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. How I've been living without you.